This is the DKNY Fuzzy Animal Print two-piece set in black and white zebra, meow, cheetah, red and black, acrylic and nylon, totally imported. It could be from China. DKNY, ferociously chic, fabulous fuzzy, like Donna Karen? No, starting to feel it. Must-see scarf will be divine. 67 inches long by 12 inches wide. Hand washable. This, like this, or like that. 76 inches long, 12 inches wide. Acrylic and nylon and hand washable. Really included. So here we have this, like this, or like that. This is the DKNY Fuzzy Animal Print Knit Scarf two-piece set, hat, and scarf, both sold separately in black and white and in red and black. Meow.